All right, kids, today in Sex Egg, we're learning about Ethiopian tubes.
Is he drawing a uterus or a zone defense? What's going on?
Oh, no! It's our hormone monsters!
Maury, what are you doing?
Chase up for me!
Holy smoke!
It's a reckoning, Missy. They've come for
Where are we?
I think we're in Maury's stomach.
There's so many broken mannequin legs.
Is that my retainer?
Wait, where's Jay? Oh no.
Guys, I think I found a way out.
Oh, thank God.
But you're not gonna like it.
It's the butt, isn't it?
It's not the butt.
Maury, I want to take a bubble bath.
Hey, don't rush me.
How long you gonna be in there?
Oh, I don't know. It says they're coming out October 5th. Oh, God, I gotta drink more water.
Don't push too hard. You don't want your butthole to turn inside out.